Hello, my friends. Have you ever found yourself wanting to believe in something so deeply, but your mind argues against it, throwing every logical reason in your face to convince you it's impossible? It's not unusual. We are all conditioned by what we see, hear, and experience, and often, this conditioning locks us into a reality that feels immovable. Belief isn't about logic, it's about conviction. You see, the mind is powerful, but it is also malleable. Most of us allow reason to dictate what we can or cannot achieve. We look at our bank account and decide we're poor. We look at our surroundings and conclude we're stuck. But what if I told you that belief, genuine, unwavering belief, can rewrite those conclusions? You can create a reality that reflects what you desire, not just what you see now. The key is imagination. Imagination is the bridge between the world you know and the world you want to create. It's not some childish fantasy, it's the most potent tool you possess. When you close your eyes and vividly imagine your desire as if it's already true, you begin to shift the way your subconscious operates. The subconscious mind doesn't argue with you. It doesn't question whether something is reasonable or not. It simply accepts what you feed it. So, the question becomes, what are you feeding your mind? Are you feeding it the limitations of reason, or the possibilities of faith? To believe when reason denies it, you must detach from the evidence of your senses. That doesn't mean ignoring reality, it means refusing to let reality define what's possible. For instance, let's say you want to achieve financial freedom, but your current situation feels like a dead end. If you only look at your circumstances, you'll remain trapped by them. Instead, take a moment each day to imagine yourself living the life you want. Picture it so clearly that you can feel the joy, the freedom, the ease. This isn't daydreaming, it's reprogramming your mind. Now, here's where most people falter. They try to believe, but their logical mind interjects, saying, "This isn't real. You're wasting your time." When this happens, don't fight it. Acknowledge the thought and gently redirect your focus. Think of belief as a muscle. At first, it might feel weak, but with consistent practice, it grows stronger. The more you train your mind to dwell on what you want instead of what you fear, the easier it becomes to override doubt. Another crucial step is gratitude. Gratitude amplifies belief because it shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Even if your current situation is far from ideal, find something, anything, you can genuinely appreciate. It could be the roof over your head, the food you eat, or the air you breathe. When you cultivate gratitude, you align yourself with the frequency of receiving. And when you feel as though you've already received, the universe responds in kind. You must also guard your inner dialogue. What are you saying to yourself when no one else is listening? If you constantly affirm, "I'll never make it," or "this is too hard," you're reinforcing doubt. Instead, speak as if your desire is already yours. Use affirmations like, "I am abundant," or "everything is unfolding perfectly for me." These aren't empty words, they're seeds. Plant them consistently, and they will take root. Here's something else to consider: belief often requires patience. We live in a world that demands instant results, but true transformation takes time. Think of planting a seed. You don't dig it up every day to check if it's growing. You trust the process. In the same way, when you're working to believe in something despite reason, give it time to manifest. Don't rush it or question it, simply hold on to your vision with faith. Another powerful practice is to surround yourself with inspiration. Read stories of people who achieved the impossible. Listen to uplifting messages. Fill your environment with reminders of what's possible. When you immerse yourself in positivity, it becomes easier to sustain your belief, even when external circumstances challenge it. Let's talk about persistence. Many people give up too soon. They start believing in their dreams but abandon them when obstacles arise. Remember, challenges are not signs to quit, they are tests of your commitment. When you persist in believing, even when everything seems to contradict your vision, you demonstrate a level of faith that moves mountains. Now, surrender. This may sound contradictory, but it's not. Surrender doesn't mean giving up, it means releasing control over how and when your desire will manifest. When you've done your part, when you've imagined, affirmed, and believed, let go of the need to force it. Trust that the universe is working on your behalf, even if you can't see it yet. So, how do you believe when reason denies it? You turn inward. You use imagination, affirmations, gratitude, and persistence to train your mind to focus on possibility, not limitation. You detach from the evidence of your senses and anchor yourself in faith. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. Your belief is the blueprint for your reality. The world you experience tomorrow is being shaped by what you believe today. Choose wisely, and never underestimate the power of your imagination to bring forth the life you desire. To strengthen belief further, consider the power of detachment from external validation. Often, we seek reassurance from others, craving their approval to validate our desires. This can weaken our conviction because not everyone will understand your vision, and that's okay. Your belief is personal, and it doesn't require external confirmation. Learn to stand firm in your inner knowing, even if others doubt you. This is your path, and only you can walk it. Another overlooked aspect of belief is the ability to act as if. Acting as if doesn't mean pretending in a superficial way, it means aligning your actions with the reality you want to experience. If you desire success, how would a successful person behave? Would they procrastinate or take intentional steps toward their goals? Would they complain about obstacles or seek solutions? When you embody the qualities of the person you aim to become, you bring that version of yourself into existence. Let's not forget the role of emotions. Belief is not just a mental exercise, it's a deeply emotional one. Feelings amplify the energy of belief, making it more potent. When you align your emotions with your vision, feeling the joy, excitement, or peace of having your desire, you create a resonance that attracts your goal. This isn't about forcing positivity, it's about genuinely connecting with the emotional essence of what you seek. Silence is also a powerful tool in fostering belief. In our noisy world, filled with distractions and conflicting messages, silence offers clarity. Spend time in stillness, allowing your mind to settle. This quiet space often reveals insights and inspiration that strengthen your faith. Silence isn't empty, it's full of potential. So, practice self-compassion. Doubts may arise, and that's natural. Don't judge yourself for moments of uncertainty. Instead, remind yourself that belief is a process, not a destination. Each small step you take toward nurturing your faith brings you closer to the life you envision. Treat yourself with kindness and patience as you grow into this new way of thinking and being. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the incredible power of belief. The ability to hold a vision when everything around you says otherwise is nothing short of remarkable. It takes courage to trust in the unseen, to walk a path guided by faith rather than reason. But this is the essence of transformation, to believe in possibilities that logic cannot yet comprehend. Belief begins with a choice. Will you let your current circumstances dictate what's possible for you, or will you dare to envision something greater? The answer lies within you. You hold the power to shape your reality through the thoughts you nurture, the emotions you embody, and the actions you take. It's a process, yes, but every step forward strengthens your ability to believe in the extraordinary. To everyone watching, if you found value in what we've discussed today, I encourage you to support this message by liking this video. Your support helps spread these ideas to others who might need them. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel so you don't miss out on future insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below, your perspective adds so much richness to this space. If this message resonated with you, share it with someone who might benefit. By doing so, you're amplifying the reach of these transformative ideas. And, if you're ready to get deeper into more content like this, hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest releases. Your engagement fuels this platform and allows us to continue exploring these profound truths together. Every like, share, and subscription is a step toward building a space where we challenge limitations and unlock greater possibilities. So, take a moment now to connect with this message and show your support. Together, we're part of a movement that believes in the power of thought, the strength of imagination, and the boundless potential within each of us. Thank you for being here, for opening your heart to these ideas, and for walking this path with intention and belief.